how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. So if you have followed someone and you had an agreement that you had to follow each other, but then after a certain while you think that person might have unfollowed you, so how do you find that out? Well, in order to find that out, first of all, you open Instagram. Now just keep in mind that Instagram is not going to give you a list of people that have unfollowed you on Instagram, so there's no way that Instagram will tell you that. Instead, you have to find it manually. So tap on the profile icon from the bottom right and go to your following tab. So you follow a certain person, but then you think that person might not be following you. First of all, you want to go to their profile page. After you go to their profile page, tap on the following icon of them. So when you go to their following icon, if they still follow you, your name will usually show up at the very top of their following page. But if they are not following you, your name will not show up over here. If you doubt it, you can also use the search bar right over here to search for your name, and you will be able to know whether or not they are still following you. So because Instagram doesn't give us a list of people that have unfollowed us, this is quite a bit of a tedious process, but this is the only way that you can actually find it out. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.